this clip, we're going to take our pot holders and turn them right side out, and then we're going to stitch them together. Make sure to pull out the little thumb. And you could just slide your hand in there to make sure that you're getting all the pieces out. Cool, that's looking good. Do the same with your lining fabric. And you just want to make sure that everything looks good and that all the seams are sewn. You're actually going to be turning your lining back inside out because when we stitch it, we're going to be stitching batting to the inside batting. And then this way, your lining is where your hand will actually go. So you go ahead and slide it in. You just want to make sure to push it all the way forward. Make sure the little thumb is all the way in there and everything's lying flat. And then you want to match up the side seams. You're going to go ahead and fold in. And you could even leave a little tiny border of the lining fabric peeking so you can see it. And then just go ahead and pin it. You're going to go all the way around like that. Just fold it in. And that's why when we cut the batting, we cut it a little bit smaller just to make it so much easier to do this. I'm finished pinning, and we're going to be going ahead and stitching all the way around here. But before we stitch, what I want to do is take a little piece of ribbon and just insert it into one of the side seams to act as like a little loop that you could hang in. So I'm just going to go ahead and fold my ribbon in half. I'm going to insert it into this side seam here. Just want to keep it held together. And I just like to line it up with the side seam. Just go ahead and repin it. And then when you stitch it, this will be held in place. So now we're ready to stitch.